I guess I could be pretty pissed off about what happened to me. But it's hard to stay mad when there's so much beauty in the world. Sometimes I feel like I'm seeing it all at once. My heart fills up like a balloon that's about to burst. And then it flows through me like rain. And I can't feel anything but gratitude for every single moment of my stupid little life. You have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm sure. But don't worry. You will someday.
Where are we?
Chicken Shack. I've been waiting all week for this.
Chicken Shack.
Saba in downtown Detroit.
Oh, this place is amazing.
I save every minute of it.